from 22, add 10. I want you to see it with your fingers. Okay, so you get to 32. If you add another 10, 42. If you add another 10, what if you take 10 away now? What if you take another 10 away? What do you notice about that? Okay, when you're adding, which way along the number line are you going? What does this way mean? You're going up, you're moving to the right. When you're subtracting, when you're taking away, you're moving to the left. Did anybody notice anything about when we went from 22, we added 10 to 32, and when we were at 32 and we took 10 away, we went back to 22. So what you noticed, did you notice anything then about that?
Oh, every 10 that you add, the 1 stays.
Okay. What do you mean? You mean the units stay, so the 2 stayed the same. Is that what you mean? Yeah, it does. Okay. Let's have another one then. Put your finger on 36. Okay. Can you add 6?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you tell me how you did that then? Because I noticed some of you doing it different ways. How did you get from 36 to your answer by adding 6? What did you do at eating?
I did 36 plus 4, which is 40, and then I did 40. I had 2 left, so I did 40 plus.
So you split the 6 up to make the 4 to make a tidy number to join to the nearest 10, okay? And then you added the extra. How did you do it, Luciano?
I did like 6 plus 6 equals 12. So here I go to 12.
Ah, so you looked at the units numbers and you remembered that 6 plus 6 makes 12. You knew that fact, okay? Anybody do a different way?
So I did like 3.
Remember, we're on 36 plus 6.
I did 3.
Are you on 36 though there? I'm looking.
I did 3. Then I did another 3.
Ah, so you split the 6 into 2 3s, okay? How did you do it? Did you do it the same way as somebody else? You split it the same. Dale?
It's the same way as Aditi.
The same way as Aditi. So you split it into the 4 to make a tidy number. Yeah? Okay, we'll do one more. Find 47.
47.
And this time you're going to add 15. So I'm going to write that down just so you remember. So you're starting at 47 and you're going to add 15. So it's going to look like that. Okay. Dale, how did you do that?
On 47, I added 3, so I got 50, and I had 13 left, so I added 13 to 50.
Okay, so Dale realised that out of the 15, if he took 3, he could change 47 to the tidy number of 50. Then did you add the 13 as a whole? Or did you split the 13, or did you add it straight away?
Straight away.
Straight away, okay. What did you do, Boomy?
It was 47, I added, and it gave me 57, and I added 5.
Okay, so Boomy, let me just get the eraser. Boomy did, she looked at the 15, and she said, okay, well I can do it easier if I add 10. So she did 47, and then she added the 10 to make 57.
Yeah.
And then,
Added 5.
did you add the 5 straight away, or did you split the 5? Which way?
Added straight away.
Okay, and you added straight away. What about you, Aditi?
I did the same as Dale.
The same as Dale?
I switched those two around, so what I did was I added 5 and then added 10.
Ah, so you did 47 plus 5. When you added the 5, did you do that in your head, or did you count along with your finger? Yeah, I thought I saw it to help you. Okay, so you did that until you got to what number then? From 47 plus 5?
47 plus 5 plus 10
And then you added the 10.
plus 16.
Okay, what about you, Luciano?
I did like 7 plus 15 equals 22 and counted up 22.
From,
Here 2 and
but if you started at 47 and you moved up 22, show me where you ended up then. So you started at 47.
61.
Ah. Okay, so you got 61. So can we go back to the 47 a minute? Can we try a different way? Because you seem to have a different answer to everybody else. So what about if we try Boomy's way, 47 plus 10? In your head, what would that take you to?
57.
57. Okay, and now you still have 5 more. So you could either do 5, or you could split the 5 to make a tidy number. How many would you need to get from 57 to the next, what's the next tidy number after 57? 60. How many more do you need to get to 60? If you're at 57, have a look on your number line.
3.
3. So that gets you to 60. So how many more do you need if you had 5 and you've used 3 of them? How many more do you still have left? 2. So then you can add your 2 and you get
62.
62. Okay, can I take your number lines off you now? Because I just wanted to quickly have a look at what strategies you were doing and see how you were with the number lines. Okay. Now then, what I want to do, I want to do 2 things with you today. One is a reminder of some of the things we've already done. So you need your clipboard for this one. This is just a practice refresher, and it's a refresher just to remind you about tidy numbers, first of all. And tidy numbers, as we remember, end in a 0. And then the tidy numbers means they're tidy, they're nice and straight and easy and organized. Because we do all our counting in tens, don't we? So let's just read this. It says, we are learning to jump through a tidy number on a number line to solve problems. So if you look down, further down, show on the number line how to jump through a tidy number to find the answer to these. So who wants to read me the first problem?
Abby had saved 49 and she needed 94.
Do you know what that symbol is next to the 49? Dollar sign. So Abby had saved $49.
Abby saved $49 and she needed $94 to buy her rollerblades. How much more does she need to save?
Okay, so she's already got how much? Let's think about what's in this problem. It tells you she's already got 49 and altogether she needs 94. So it's asking you how much more does she need to save. So that's asking you how much from 49 to get to 94. So I want you to have a go on here and then I want you to explain how you did it. But remember, we're going through a tidy number. So the first jump must be to the next tidy number. Okay, have a go at that one.